Now here's how you can request a desktop website on the iPad. Let's get into it. So it depends on which browser you are using, because if you are using Safari, what you need to do is to open up the app, of course, locate the website, and then next to the URL bar, the place where you type in the web address, next to it on the left, you can see a little button with like a square or like lines next to it. So just click on that and more things will appear. Now, from the options that appear, tap on the three dots next to it, and another set of buttons shows up, including requesting the desktop website. So you just tap on that, the web is going to reload with the desktop version instead. Keep in mind that if you are using some kind of different web browser, like a lot of people do, it might work slightly differently. For example, instead of the Google Chrome, what you can do is also tap on the three dots once your website is loaded up, and as well scroll through the available options, and you can find a request desktop site. So similarly, the desktop computer icon is right next to it, so you just kind of tap on that and you will essentially make the website reload and you're going to be good to go. So that's how you can do this on multiple different web browsers. Let me know below in the comments if it in fact did work for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.